2020 Jeep Cherokee. Customer states, misfire, check engine light on, runs rough. I scanned it, I confirmed it does have a code. We reset the code. After discussing a little bit with her, we figured out that it's got 200 and some thousand miles on it with the original spark plugs. So we're going to go ahead and change spark plugs out, see if that makes a difference. We just got back from the parts store. It calls for XP 5325s, gap to 45 thousandths. So we're going to double check our gaps with wire gauge here. I've got a 45 thousandths wire there. And let's get these buggers changed. So here's what they're supposed to look like. And here's what they actually look like. There's definitely a little bit of wear there. But let's put this last one back in and we'll see how it runs. But yeah, as we took it apart, see these little knobs here, this cover just pops off. And then you take these bolts out, unclip these little plugs, but you just pull the red thumb tab back, push down, and then that just lifts out, or is supposed to. It's nice and snug, is usually pretty good on those. This is what a coil pack looks like as it's out. Yeah, be careful not to get dirt down in your holes. Then that just presses down in there like that. It's got kind of a gasket seal. Plug plugs in, little clip pushes in, that pushes down in there, and then we just run our little retaining bolt in. Like I said, 10 millimeter head, 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Just nice and snug on each of them. You ain't gotta go Hercules on these. And the job is done. Line up that. There we go.